Hey there! Have you ever felt a little bored and just wanted someone to talk to? Well, what if I told you that you can chat with a bot that is programmed to keep the conversation funny and entertaining? That's right. Using ChatGPT for entertainment and jokes is a thing, and it's a fantastic way to unleash the power of GPT Chat and have hilarious conversations that will leave you in stitches. Picture this: you start a conversation with the bot and immediately it gives you a cheeky response. You respond back with a witty remark, and before you know it, you are both exchanging jokes and puns back and forth. Hey, what do you call an alligator in a vest? I don't know. What? An investigator. And just like that, the bot has you laughing and feeling like you've got a new buddy to talk to. Using ChatGPT for entertainment and jokes is a great way to pass time, relieve stress, and have some quality laughs. Whether you're at home or out and about, you can easily pull out your phone and start chatting with the bot. So go ahead, give it a try and let the hilarity ensue. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.